Dorothy, it's working.
But, frankly, I'm a little concerned about Terry. That job at the hatchery meant a great deal to him. Well, I'm a little concerned about the publicity, too. Newspapers, magazines, television. It's all a little mind-boggling.
Dorothy, it's working. It's getting results. Money is pouring in. Folks want to help. You know about the plans for the new house? Yeah, plans for a new house for the boys. It's 1,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms. Home Builders Association wants to donate all the materials, and right now we're looking for free labor. Right there on their own land to replace the one that burnt down. It's the best shot they've got at getting back together. We've got a snowball rolling here, Dorothy.
Don't let that snowball get away from you, Dan. Don't let Terry get lost in the shuffle.